Oh, it might be a stat. The stats have to be somewhere, right? Combat. Stat. Walk. Oh, shit. So it's not that. Speed. Movement speed. Okay. Where the hell did I put? Is it really in the script? Gotta check. Might have just changed the script myself. Oh yeah, I'm streaming two things now. That's not good. Holy shit. Combat speed is set, but there's no walk speed. Does that mean that whenever I'm in combat, oh, there's light went over slope. That makes like a lot of sense. Why isn't it on? What if I would be so evil and set it to 0.1? Now that if I go into combat, it's slow as hell. Okay. What if I go into 1? Because it doesn't make sense to slow it down so much. So that works. The run threshold, is this really the walk button? If I set it to 1, but nothing. 0.1. Doesn't do anything. I do 5. So I would be very, very happy if it was here, but I'm not sure if it is. There's a church here. I bet that this is new. What the fuck? Blech. No peak. Go to definition. Manage search walk. Walking state is 1. Here it is. If walk / moving back speed equals run speed times half. That seems a bit stupid. It's probably because we just are not using the walking animations, which we can easily just set here. So this would be a walk. Walk back, walk forwards we're looking at. Walk forward. Capybara. Giraffe. No, we want the humanoid walks rather. That's a wolf. Oh, here we go. Walk forward. Okay, it did do something. So yeah, the speed going backwards is also the same because of this particular script right here. So we should make it differ, like if, whoops, if walk and not moving back, then we do this. And I mean, hey, let's do it like this. If walk and moving back is 0.50, but otherwise it just moving back without the walk should be normal speed, right? Doesn't have to be that fancy. Original code edited. I mean, I use Bogu edit as a sort of fingerprint so I can find it easier. So I did save it, but probably needs a restart. Oh, new follower. Here, hello. I don't have the sounds on apparently. I was supposed to test those. But unfortunately I can't hear anything. I can't even hear the music. Is there music? Oh, it's muted. That makes sense. That's why I don't hear it. Let's see if I hear anything. Oh, I just heard it. Fuck. I need to do that again just to test it. I didn't break it. I just pressed refresh when I heard that. Damage. That's good if I hear it. No, then I don't hear it again. Oh, it has to be selected. How annoying.
Test.
Yeah, no, it works. Oh, it just worked out. That's nice. not used there though. It would be nice to see which world our instance is currently in. From there. Let's spin the wheel of Ogu. I don't hear that. How was the loading screen done? Loading. Okay. Yeah, I'm streaming. Yeah, this is what I had, right? Oh, the crosshair's hidden in the main wall too. I must have enabled it by accident at some point. Oh, you can't even access it. Wow. Okay. So it's meant for... It's meant to... I bet it's meant to work like this, but for some reason I messed something up. Hello, Moto. Hello. Who is Moto? What? Can't hear you. It's too loud.
Can't hear you too loud. Anyway, Moto is a company. It's commercial from like the 90s.
Oh.
Hello, Moto.
What's this? We got a strafing animation for one direction, but not the other. Explain.
Don't question it.
Huh.
Just don't question. Wonder why my phone didn't go off.
Wonder if we could just do the AC run blend tree here, because it's so much better. Also, yeah, I did the walk backwards should be faster now. Last time I had to edit a script here. You know, it did this. I don't know if you can see the stream, but it
Yeah.
in the mob controller 3D CS file, it said if walk or moving back, it's always half the speed. But I changed it so if walk and moving back is half the speed. Although now this probably I just realized break the forwards walking. Let's see. Yeah, there's no more walking forwards. Let's make another one. If walking and not moving back. So now there is a case where you can be moving back with the one speed, or we could even make it so it's slower than that. Like if not walking, but moving back, or actually the walk entirely out. If moving back, we slow down to like what? Let's not do that. 25. Save. And we have two. There were some fancy scripts or something that I used when I was doing another project. Is that you could update your code while on runtime,
Hmm.
but I don't know if those are smart. Probably going to cause issues anyways to like recompile somehow. But yeah, we need to do
Yeah, probably.
this. And I wish I remember how I did this. Maybe it is in the scene. No, we checked that already. Character. No, it is somewhere else. Well, I'm gonna have to figure that out later. Don't save. Well, let's do. I don't know. Have you ever used Animal Controller?
Meh.
No.
No.
Okay, so I'm just gonna demo the playground real quick. It is used in some very fancy looking indie games, and you'll soon see why. It's pretty cheap for it being this good. It's like better than it has more features than the base in Vector. You have to buy add-ons to it to get those features that this guy has. It's not maybe as professional as in Vector, but it's very good. Like oh, like yeah, the head turn and everything. It's a little laggy. There's a damage script there, and this is like the default combo. That's what it looks like walking. There's 2 running speeds. Whoops. Like that. I think tab targets in this one. Oh. You have the roly-poly, of course. And the thing is that this guy also has the animal equivalent for this animator. So all that this guy can do, basically also the vaulting, the animals can do as well. And it works for the crows and basically anything quadrupedal. And obviously the humanoids. But I think Yuma models, I had issues because I was using Yuma models with the AC. And that's not going to work straight up, so I had to make like probably a FBX to this. So what we're gonna do, I don't even have Invector in this one. We're just gonna go ahead and drag our resources and non-Yuma orc over here into the scene. And we're going to disable the other player. And the atavism scripts for now. And we're going to open up the prefab. Call it AC orc male or orc underscore male underscore AC. And then Malbars, tools, animator tools, integrations. I want to test scene. Can I make it somewhere here? No. So how I remember it is just to go over to the AC folder, animal controller, and then there's the empty controller or human. And there's the human base. It says obsolete, human core AI, human core player. So maybe this guy doesn't have, no. Why is it obsolete? Okay, so human core is the empty object. We're gonna reset its position. And we're gonna hope this works. I think the rotator should be, maybe not. Okay, so just disable that as well. And the avatar should be orc male avatar. Let's see if it was that simple. Obviously the slots might not be working. Let's see.
Bruh.
Ouch. Okay, yeah, this is what happened to Yuma before. Oh, this shouldn't be Yuma. It doesn't work straight out of the gate. This is, yeah, I like the core of it. Human base. Star weapon. AI target. Okay, let's try a different approach. Make a duplicate of you. And do this. Orc avatar. Uh-huh. Hey, there it is. Oh. How did it... Oh, what am I doing? So yeah, it is controlling it. It's just not... Is the rotator that thing then? What is the... Oh, it's the human core. There's two of them now. So, whoops. So this should be disabled. Okay, the same thing happened again. Meshes. It's this one, isn't it? Yeah. Or, yeah, it's a Yuma rig. Whoopsies. Let's try this again. Take you out. And we want you all under this guy. And the mesh can go paste as children. So disable this guy. Orc assassin. How about now? There we go. I did it. We have a fully functional orc with that animator controller. It's not wielding. It should have a sword. Oh yeah, it's because the slots are, again, I didn't assign them. It needs that. They used to be on the other rig. I think there's some IK that's fucking up because the slots are not there. Wonder where the weapon goes. I did spend like hundreds to get Invector, but this is just as good, if not better. At climbing and swimming, and this guy has double or triple jump even. I did disable the triple jump so you can double jump only, but I'm not in this version. Whoop. And you can fly. This is probably the funnest feature that Invector doesn't have by default. You need an add-on for this. Well, there's gliders. These you might recognize from the games, indie games that actually use these. So actually, I was gonna make like a game where you could actually like run through courses and have this speed run kind of feel with this being one of the core features of it, and you can wall run everything. Where's the pistols? This would make the game a lot more fun to play, obviously. And the A star, I actually have and in SMC I made the A star compatible with the Invector AI. I mean the animal controller AI. I couldn't get it to work with Invector, so I bought the own AI system for it. No, wait, it's not the reason I bought the other system, because it's not a navigation system, it's a state machine. But yeah, it has been one of the longest standing goals is to integrate one of these character controllers, and I have been stubbornly trying to get Invector to work when this might be like a better or easier way to do it, because I believe they already do some cooperation. I mean, Atavism in Invector. Let's see how the animator works in this case, because we can't just rip it off just like that. So this is way more clean first of all. If we can make it look like this, and then you could dive down the hierarchy of the animator versus the current one, which is a fucking mess, would be great. Whoops. Stop moving it. Two-handed axe locomotion, and we should have the... Oh, this guy might not be the correct one. We want the rider, which came in the horse animations, probably. Horse Anim Set Pro. Yeah, this is where we want it to be, because this has the same same test scene basically. The demo is the same, except there are controllers for the riding of a horse, for example, or a dragon, like in our game, and that's what we want. This is called the Assassin's Creed style controller. You can have 3 different combat styles, which are pretty much the same. It's just a little bit of different controls. It's more like a Red Dead Redemption kind of feel, or Western feel here. But you can do the attacks from on top of mounts in the Atavism by default. So there shouldn't be an issue either. It's missing, or actually, I'm not sure if it works in the... We have to test it almost immediately. But I want to see if the IK works in the demo animator controller before I start doing any changes, because you want the top half to be animated when you are sitting down only. So when you're doing like a sword strike or anything like that, you have to be mindful of that. You don't use the whole body animation for the sword swing because you're sitting on a horse, for example. I don't think I made any changes here. How would we do that? It must be a property of the character to say what instances it is in. That would be nice if that's so. So we could just print out in the character selection screen in what instance is the character. Like, are you in the Shadow Realm or the Holy Dimension or whatever light dimension we call it, Divine Dimension. Okay, so what were we supposed to test? Oh yeah, the horsey. Where's the horse? It gives you a dragon, but not the horse? What? Horse, please. There it is. Okay, that doesn't work. Interesting. Let's try it with a human. No admin settings for instance manual 2. I'm not sure what that means.
Oh, oh, no, never mind.
I mean, I have an idea what it could mean, but I'm not sure entirely what. I had a feeling it means the server restart options and that whatnot. Oh shit! If that's so, it might mean that, or also it could mean that if you're in without the admin account, you could see the admin button on the bottom. We have to check that before I release this version. But yeah, the horsey. What does it always go this way? I want the inventory here. So the horse is broken. Or is it because I'm flying?
Could be that you're flying.
No, it doesn't work. Interesting. Oh well. So that's a thing that we need to fix now. It doesn't even like spawn the mount so that it would run on top of it, like when the animations got wonky. But it just demounts instantly, I guess. Need to debug that. I'm really keen on making this demo version so that we would make the instances
BRB.
represent. Oh, okay. Well, might as well tell it to the stream, no matter if there's anyone watching. I'm thinking of making the dimensions, so to speak, which different factions start from into their own kind of instances, which are very similar, like copy pasted even, but I will make some differences in there, and obviously they're going to have differences in terms of uh, their contents, but the terrain itself will be mostly similar at first, at least. The issue with doing that is kind of makes me think of solutions, pretty outside of the box solutions for creating a portal, for example, between two dimensions, or where you would teleport. If you change dimensions, you'd have to dynamically be addressed to the location, position where you are in the current dimension, or at least that's how I want it to be. There is like a very workaround solution, obviously, is to have some kind of a debuff or a passive stat that keeps track of what dimension you're in and your position. And then that would be used to check tag each time you make a portal or a teleport to another dimension, and those tags would be used to translate your location to the other instance. But that's not really a good solution, because you'd have to sort of manually make a grid of areas which would have the tag in them. If that would be procedural, it would be the best and more precise, obviously. But as they're duplicates, the coordinates should work according to, if they are in the same space and they're duplicates, or it's the same instance, they need to be in a physically different location. So in this instance, the coordinates would be equal. So if you're in the spawn of, let's say, skeleton spawn or something, and you want to switch dimensions, your coordinates would be existent in the other dimension, although there might not be a skeleton spawn area in there in the other dimension. So it would be a solution and to the issues that which I had with the previous system, which was to do it like a passive debuff that would be checked as stealth. So if you had this, you would be able to see only the things that are not in another dimension.
Hello.
Oh, you came back.
Yes. Why is your camera not showing you?
Because I'm in the kitchen.
Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah? Actually, I should have said Ogu. Oh, missed the chance.
What?
Someone's in the. It's a song,
Oh,
like a kid song.
okay.
But yeah, there are people watching.
It might be me.
No,
I have many devices open.
no. There's someone who actually said they were watching in
Oh,
Discord to me.
oh, nice.
They're actually baking right now, so shout out to them.
What's with the horsies? Clear. I don't get an error or anything. Mount. Stop. Hmm. You gained brown horse mount effect. You lost brown horse mount effect. It just says.
Hmm.
Why does it do it 4 times? They're all the same. I'm gonna try to do it. Yeah. They're all the same, right? Target, blah blah blah, 100, 100, 0, 100, yeah. Oh, there's triggers now. Nice. That's new. An ability and effect, yeah. It used to have those by default. Okay, so update. Update. This was for the dragon, I believe. Oh, I need to load the definitions. I fixed it. It truly was that dumb. It works now. It just does the effect 4 times. That's why it doesn't work. New horse. Huh. No, that's not good. Let's do the other one.
Delete. Delete. I don't know why this was here 4 times. That makes no sense. Update. Update. And we update here. And voila. Our horsey is working. Next step, see if spawned mobs will work. And would you know it? It does, but it shouldn't have a nav mesh here. Oh yeah, I was supposed to hit him with one of these. I can't hit him. It's not giving any errors either. Okay, so is mounted combat somehow disabled now? And if so, why? Mount. Can craft while mounted. Combat, how about? Oh, that's all of them. Is it in the actual combat skills then? Abilities. To be here somewhere. Cast and run. Check busy, make busy. Channeling must be, weapon must be drawn. Drawn weapon before. Stealth, those are new. There's no while mounted anywhere. I can't see at least. Power up definitions. This effect. This guy also does it 4 times, which makes no sense. Maybe it does, I don't know. Combat state. What is that? Outside or in? All right. Makes sense. Casting and run. Hmm. Then it only basically has one place it can be still. I'm missing a weapon, dude. Was that it? Man, I'm an idiot. Okay, yeah, so it works. Could you sit down? So if you can't, then the animations don't really work. Come on. Down. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, it stands up. Oh, nice. Oh, God. Oh, man, that's new. There's ability triggers and effect triggers. Abilities trigger actions. All target action type effect. Effect brown horse mount effect. Event type dodge. What? What if I add a tag that says sprint? Does sprint have that tag? I don't know. Let's see if we start making a horse when we sprint. No. But it's an action type for the type of dodge, but is there a tag? Heal critical, stun, parry, dodge. Oh, and actually didn't save the tag in there. Wonder why. Weird. What about the effect triggers? Trigger profile. Magic bolt effect. It's a projectile hit, so this is a trigger for when the magic bolt hits you. It's received. And let's go magic bolt. Oh, there's a casting speed ability. Uh-huh. Magic bolt. Why didn't look for that? Yeah, it has it here. And it does it 4 times again. This is something I don't understand. And it's a 100% chance. There's no chance it misses. We already were here. No tags. Here we could say if you are, let's say if you have the effect that you're drenched in oil or something, then the bonus effect would be that you yourself set yourself on fire. What are you up to?
No, not a whole lot. Doing a little bit here and there of just figuring out stuff.
That's good.
Mostly watching you though.
Cool. Mm. Oh, now I get it. The admin settings are in the script object, I bet. And you probably just have to add the scene there. Whoops. Ooh, right.
Hmm.
I fixed the mounts.
Nice. Somewhat. It should dismount you.
No. We're gonna use the ACIK animations for the mounted battle. It just
Okay.
now uses a whole body. What does the new horse do? That's the new horse. Whoops. Okay, so it's something new. Whoops. New. So the issue was that the effect was triggered 4 times. For some reason, the demo effects or the abilities have 4 times kind of the effect. So I just delete the 3 extra ones. Let's see what the new horse is like. Whatever that is. Okay, it dismounts me. It's exactly the same horse. Why does it say it's new? Oh, that's annoying.
It's almost not as derpy, but it's still derpy.
Yeah, it is derpy. The wood works here. Cannot do that while mounted. It says you can, you can have it in the ability itself. There we go. I don't like that explosion whenever you're looting.
What time is it for you, out of curiosity?
Midnight. Interesting. What? Hmm. Intriguing. Oh, what if we just use this one? Can go back there now. Oh. Hmm. Oh, there it is. How about now? Player is not connected. But it's this screen that we want the we want the loading bar in there. Up, 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 bum. It's a canvas loader. Whoops. But it does nothing. Interesting. Now it seems to load only a very small area. Oh, there we go. It's probably because we're at the edge. Maybe. No, it actually, if when I look down and rotate, it doesn't give me as much. That's nice. Here's the Atavism Asset Bundles Manager. admin panel settings. So this is where the location, I guess, has to be set. Nice. Scene loader. Uh-oh, I think I just found it. Yes, good. There we go. Can't see it. There we go. Yeah, this guy, or which was it? I'm gonna disable that. Copy, paste. Uh, there it is. Okay, there we go. We have the loading bar back. But does it function? This guy shouldn't be here. Interesting. Definitely does not work. Oh, what? I see a little red.
Yeah, there's a little red there.
Yeah. Oh well. I mean, what? What? Oh. Whatever, let's leave it. And what if we do the canvas loader and then the streamer? Loading range for streaming is set up for access that has tile size of 0. Okay. But what if I do this? Now you'll ask me about the streamer, and I have it here for you. Is it possible to find it otherwise? No. Okay, so we'll try it like this. Save. See what happens. Hmm. Interesting. It's in the loading screen. Wow. How weird. Hmm.
Just toggle the background, maybe?
I did that already.
No, I meant like out of the what's it called?
Prefab.
Yeah, into the prefab.
Yeah, I don't think that's it because it's not loading anyway. Now it's not even visible. Oh. Oh, here's the one. What the? How about we go to the canvas loader. We toggle this out now. has a background. This one. Hmm. Really? Oh, fuck it. I'm just gonna boot up the other project to check. Right. Oh shit. What is that? Shit. All right. Oh, there we go. Now it works. Maybe. Yeah, it works. But it's hella laggy.
Is that something you did, or
I mean, because I have 2 Unity projects open.
ah,
Let's make our computer crash.
Time to spill Wheel of Ogu.
Dude, are you serious? Huh? Are you fucking kidding me? Finally. Oh wait. Are they supposed to be in Collider Streamer Editor and Collider Streamer.